Welcome back to our professional live audio, outdoor concert gear, and modern tech showcase. Today, we are putting a highly rugged, completely unique visual and acoustic powerhouse under the microscope. A device engineered specifically for backyard tailgaters, beach event hosts, mobile karaoke performers, and campers who demand thunderous, multi-directional projection and extensive wireless linking, but refuse to deal with standard black boxes, frail plastic enclosures, or quick-draining power cells. Breaking the mold in portable audio engineering, this is the ultra-powerful ULTIMEA Go portable party speaker in black. ULTIMEA has been gathering massive momentum by packing premium, multi-driver theater configurations into highly disruptive price brackets, and the Go perfectly exemplifies that bold design vision. Visually, the speaker is an absolute conversation starter, utilizing a uniquely armored, military-style jerry-can frame that is as structurally shockproof as it is eye-catching. Wrapped in a rugged matte black housing with a dense industrial top carry handle, it boasts an IPX4 splash-resistant rating to shrug off unexpected poolside splashes or light outdoor rain. But the real engineering triumph sits within its complex 5-driver acoustic blueprint. Unlike standard front-firing boomboxes, the Go utilizes a proprietary multi-angled soundstage featuring forward, backward, and side-firing transducers. This custom array integrates dual 5-inch high-excursion woofers, dual 3-inch full-range drivers, and a central 1-inch ultra-crisp tweeter. Driven by an efficient Class D amplifier firing off 300 watts of dynamic peak power, it maps out a true 360-degree omnidirectional sound field. Tapping the dedicated bass MX button instantly drops down low-end equalization parameters, driving thick, physical sub-bass transients without drowning out crisp mid-range vocal detail. Flipping the top panel open reveals a heavy-duty live performance interface deck. ULTIMEA has integrated independent dual microphone inputs alongside a dedicated 1/4-inch guitar input jack with ultra-low latency tracking, giving you a self-contained busking amplifier or karaoke venue anywhere on the fly. Powering this field-ready entertainment hub is a high-density 5200 mAh internal battery cell, capable of delivering up to 16 continuous hours of playback under casual listening volumes, while easily backing up long evening events with the rhythmic visual element of its 133 dynamic RGB LEDs pulsing across 6 selectable light show modes. Complemented by advanced Bluetooth 5.4 processing, premium app-based equalization fine-tuning, true wireless stereo pairing, and state-of-the-art Auracast broadcast support to link over 100 compatible speakers in flawless synchronization, it is a magnificent masterclass in portable lifestyle audio.